Right now.
Hello guys, today we're gonna do
See you later.
Alexis,
Have fun, guys.
So I hope you like it and have a good day. So here's the menu. Can I see that?
Mm-hmm.
And here's the oven. Yeah, what's in the oven? Oh, microwave. With some plates. You don't get plates. And so
We're recording.
So let's get started. What would you like today?
I want the Noli special.
Okay, right up. We did that already. It's done. We did that already. Golden, then get your plate.
Ooh.
Noah, get us put this in the microwave. Let's put it on 3, 4, 6. Put it on at 1.
What?
At 1 o'clock. We're going. It's done already.
Over here?
No.
He's a serious cook.
He is. Addie?
Addie, could you open
Nora, where do you want yours?
So this is how it looks like.
Okay.
Now we might put it in the oven to make it burn. You might need something to give. Okay.
All right, Noli, you gotta eat.
So all you need to do is so you put this one up, put this one sideways, and this one like a like I forgot what it's called.
Timer.
What?
The timer?